Okay, we're in a 2006 Gulfstream Independence LS 34 foot. I forget what the model number is, I'll get it in a second. Triple slides. You've got microwave, stove, oven, sink, beautiful woodwork, nice cabinets, nice hardware. This is a little nicer than most. Full dinette, sleeper sofa, nice leather in the front, leather seats, power levelers. The generator's on right now, and I have the AC, if you can get the AC. HD TV, let's see, 39,778 miles. And I've had this thing on. This thing works. It's a color backup camera too. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. And the stereo works. I've had that on. Okay. Everything works perfect on it. The refrigerator is cold also. Nice color combinations. What's really cool about this one is it has a full, what they call an ensuite here, where you can, I don't know if they call it an ensuite, where you can go to the bathroom all by yourself with everything closed, doors on both. They're not pocket doors, they're real doors. That's what I'm trying to say. And then here, there is hookup for your washing machine combination. And then look at this bed. You've got one of those memory foam mattresses, and very, very nice wardrobe closet. Plenty of room for storage and everything. You've got the nice speakers in the roof, and you got central, or what do they call it, duct AC. And there's two ACs in this unit too. Very, very large living space. That's a lot of room. You can sleep two there, two on the couch. So that's 4, 6. You can sleep 6 in this unit. And look at all this room in here. That slide makes a big difference. A lot of people say the kitchen slide doesn't make a difference, but you know what? It does. And I've had the levelers down, they work also. And I just drove it 2.5 hours to my house, and it drives perfectly, and the tires look new. And what else? Oh, the generator has 145 hours on the generator. Impressive coach. That's it.